In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Framer. Justified text creates clean edges on both the left and right sides of a paragraph by distributing space across each line. It's a common look in magazines and formal layouts, and in Framer, it only takes a moment to set up once you know where to look. Start by opening Framer and loading the project you want to edit. You can work in the browser or the desktop app. Either way, the interface is the same. Once your canvas is open, navigate to the page or component that contains the text you want to format. Take a second to get oriented. Layers are typically listed on the left, your canvas is in the center, and the Properties panel is on the right. That right panel is where all the styling controls live, including alignment. Now click to select the text layer you want to justify. Make sure you're selecting the actual text element and not its parent frame or stack. If you select a container, alignment controls won't appear. If you need to confirm, look at the layer name in the left panel or the section header in the Properties panel. It should indicate you're editing a text element. With the text layer active, glance over to the right panel and find the typography or text section. There, you'll see the alignment controls alongside options for font, size, weight, and spacing. Click the Justify icon to apply full justification to your text block. As soon as you click it, Framer will space words so each line fills the width of the text box, aligning neatly on both sides. If your paragraph is only a single short line, you may not notice a change. Justification is most visible on multi-line text. If the spacing looks uneven, try resizing the text box to be a bit wider, or adjust line height and letter spacing for better rhythm. Justified text generally looks best with comfortable line height and columns that aren't too narrow. If words appear stretched in awkward ways, widen the container slightly or reduce the font size until the spacing feels natural. A quick tip, preview your changes at the common breakpoints you use. Because line breaks shift with width, justification can look different on mobile versus desktop. Also, check that you haven't accidentally selected a nested element or component state where alignment is overridden. When everything looks balanced, you're done. The text is now cleanly justified, giving your layout a more polished editorial feel.